Welcome to SignUp, the easiest way to bring people together. We offer flexible plans to meet every need and budget. Our free basic plan includes unlimited participants and signups, mobile signups, and detailed reporting. Everything you need to get started. For even more convenience and power planning muscle, upgrade to one of our standard premium plans, or explore discounted options for schools and organizations with multiple organizers. You can also add an ad-free activation to any plan for a small fee. Let's take a look at some of our most popular premium features. Start in the Organizer view by clicking the SignUp title from your dashboard, then click on the Details tab. In the Details tab, you can enable 4 premium features. The first is Assistant Organizers. Need help managing a sign-up? Add 1 or more assistant organizers here. The number you can add depends on your plan. If you need multiple primary organizers across a school or organization, our campus and organization plans make it easy to share planning access across your team. Next, custom participant questions. In addition to name, email, and phone number, premium plans let you collect extra details like t-shirt size, emergency contact, or personal preferences, perfect for tailoring your events. Next, spot limits. You can limit how many spots each participant can sign up for. For example, a swim club might limit lane reservations to 4 per week, helping everyone get a turn. And finally, notification waitlist. When spots fill up, participants can join a waitlist. If someone cancels or new spots open, those on the waitlist are automatically notified and the spot is assigned on a first-come, first-served basis. Now let's look at some premium features in the Settings tab. First, waivers. Need participants to agree to a waiver or photo release. Add your approved text, and participants will be prompted to accept before signing up. Next is premium locking. Schedule signups to automatically open or close at a specific time, or set a rolling schedule that opens or locks days on an ongoing basis. Back on the main screen, from your My Tools menu, you'll find 2 more premium options. First, premium reporting. Premium reporting lets you generate reports and track volunteer hours across multiple signups in your plan. Next, participant check-in. Participant check-in lets supervisors and designated assistants check in participants at your event, right from their phones. Group pages. Back on the dashboard, you can set up group pages here. A group page is a single web page that hosts multiple signups, perfect for organizing activities by grade, location, or skill level. Every premium plan includes unlimited group pages to support your large activities and events. If you've got a large activity coming up and are short on time, our concierge service is available to premium members for a small fee. We'll help set up your signups so you can focus on planning your event. For step-by-step guides, visit our Help Center FAQs, or contact us to ask questions or schedule a quick coaching call. Thanks for using SignUp, the easiest way to bring people together.